All right, looks like we've got here the Jungle Explorers collection from Michael Miller. Excited to get this going. Let's check this out. All right, look how vibrant that is already. These look great. Why don't we get these inside and we'll take a closer look. Hi, I'm Clay with Quilting Muse. Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to tell you about a new collection that we just got in from Michael Miller Fabrics. It's called Jungle Explorers, and it's going to be great for any kids projects you want to do. Let's just dive right in and check them out. We're going to start with the panel. As soon as I saw this panel online, I knew I wanted this collection. Got an adorable giraffe right here and some other animals. I'm going to unravel this for us and show you the whole panel. So I've got the panel all laid out for you. It's a 24-inch panel. This is going to be perfect for any play mats or a crib blanket. It's an adorable panel, very colorful. You've got all these animals on it. You really get a sense of what this collection's about, which is jungle exploring. So I'll just take you through it really quickly. We've got a monkey hanging from a tree with a little camera. We've got a giraffe holding binoculars here, some colorful flowers, a little lion with an explorer hat on, and we've got a little baby elephant with binoculars, which is just adorable. Next up, we're going to take a look at the hero print. It comes in 3 colors, and I'm really excited about it. Comes in blue, which is really more of a sky blue because it has clouds in it, so it looks like the sky literally. And it has a collage of all of the little animals from the collection. We've got monkeys here, koalas, crocodiles, zebras, lions. This will be a very versatile print. And if you don't want to use the blue, you've got a couple other options here. This one is turquoise, which is a very vibrant turquoise. If you want a little bit of a punchier color in your project, this will definitely enliven things, make it a little more exciting. But my favorite is probably the red. It's very punchy red, and I just happen to really like it personally. So that's the main print. Like I said, 3 colors: blue, turquoise, and red. All right, next up we've got another print, which is a very interesting one. It's called Jungle Bundle, because it has all of the animals from the collection all together with these little blocks. And I'm going to roll it out so you can get a good look at it. We've got a lot of turquoise and green in this print, and I think it's very versatile. You can use it for home decor or a blanket. I think it's just really fun. The next one, which is a very interesting one. It's a little more subtle in terms of the colors, but it's kind of a nice breather, but still interesting. It's a sleeping tiger with these aqua blue stripes. So aqua and white stripes with the little sleeping tiger. And it's a little more sophisticated, I would say, than some of the other prints. Next up is this very exciting zebra print. So this is another one that's a little more bright, a little more punchy, a little more exciting. This bright green paired with the black and white of the zebra really gives a lot of contrast. So this would make a very fun kids project. If they happen to like green, you're in business. All right, next up we have kind koalas. This one is maybe a little more feminine than some of the other prints. It's almost a peach-like pink with these gentle-looking baby koalas. It's a small-scale print. Very gentle energy, which I enjoy. And then next up, we're going to go with the border stripe, which is one of my very favorites of the collection. It's really interesting. This is going to give a child a lot to look at because there's a lot of little things going on in these stripes. So I'm going to roll this out and we can kind of take a closer look. So it says Wild Explorers across each of these stripes. And between them you've got one stripe, which is basically the flowers and plants. And in between those you've got all the baby animals. So you've got that elephant with the binoculars on from the panel, same for the giraffe, got the monkey, the tiger. So that's kind of all the fun interest to look at, and in between you've got the break of the flora and fauna. So this will be a perfect border for any child-related project you've got going. If kids love animals, you're good to go. They'll enjoy this. And that does come as 44 inches wide, like the rest of the fabrics in the collection, other than the panel, which is 24 by 44 inches. All right, we're going to dive into the blenders now. I'm going to start with this one here, which is a white background with the words Wild Explorers scattered along it. And it's got some dots on it too, and it contains all of the colors from the collection, so it's going to easily tie into anything you want to pair with it. And I'm just going to roll it out here and show you what two of the colors of the main print would look like on it, because I think it really helps it punch when you pair it with a white background like this. You see the red kind of ties right into the red of this print. You've got the teal or greens that tie in with the turquoise of this print. And it'll pretty much go with anything you want from this collection. But if you're looking for a blender that's not specific to this collection, we've got a couple other options I'm going to show you. One of which is a stripe, multicolored stripe. So this could be used for a project outside of this collection or outside of a juvenile project. This is pretty versatile. It's a thin stripe. I believe it's 1/4 inch. And this will easily tie into a number of things for you. And we've got two more blenders, which are dots, to finish out the collection. This first one I'm showing you is a very punchy, fun polka dot. It's turquoise, so turquoise with yellow dots. This will make things a lot more fun if you're looking for something to just kind of add a little extra punch, but you don't want to overwhelm anything. You could use this as an accent fabric. And the final fabric in the collection is Dots Red, which is a red background and white dots. This one's really interesting because you could also use this for a Christmas collection, because you've got that red and the white is very also Christmassy. So we're going to roll this out so you can see what it looks like. So there you have it. That's the Michael Miller collection called Jungle Explorers. Please remember to like, subscribe, and follow us. And if you have any photos or videos you'd like to share of your own projects, use the hashtag QuiltingViews. Thank you, and happy quilting!